missed me. I've missed you too. Sort of? Just kidding. But I bet you missed me more than I missed you, though. Anyway, today I'm gonna share a proverb again. 'Cause my name is Proverb. Proverbs Bear. Alright, today's proverb is: to fulfill a given purpose, you must bear. Bear, get it? Bear, bear, yeah, bear. To fulfill a given purpose, you must bear, endure, and endeavor. To fulfill a given purpose, you must bear, endure, and endeavor. Ma! All right? Got it? Got it? One more time? One more time. To fulfill a given purpose, you must bear, endure, and endeavor. All right. We got it. See ya. I know you miss me. I miss you too. Bye.